Hello everybody out there in math land. Today we will be multiplying using the distributive property with longer numbers. So I wanted to make a video so you could see how it's done, especially because you will be drawing your own parentheses and blanks for it. So we're going to start with 4 times 3, 742. In order to do this, we have to remember what expanded form was. In expanded form, we divide the number into its place values. So in other words, we're going to take the 4 times, we're going to bring it over, open up parentheses, and split this into its place values. 700 plus 40 plus 2. After that, we're going to be multiplying that 4 by each number. So we're going to open 3 parentheses because there's 3 separate numbers. 4 times the 700, 4 again times the 40, and 4 times the 2. Now I will solve each parentheses individually. 4 times 700 is 2,800. I know that because I can multiply the basic fact and add the amount of zeros that I need. Plus 4 times 4 is 16 and add that 0. And 4 times 2 is a basic fact, that's 8. Now, I can go over to the side of my paper to add up all of those numbers. I will have 8 here, 6 here, 8 and 2, so my final answer is 2,868. Now, in order to work with bigger numbers, it's the same thing, but now you'll have 4 separate numbers inside that first parentheses. So we can open the parentheses, expanded form of this guy. That would be 4,000. I'm going to move this way, plus 500, plus 90, plus 1, close my parentheses. All of those will be multiplied by 6. So since there's 4 numbers, I need 4 sets of parentheses. First one will be that 4,000 times the 6. Then the 500 times the 6. 90 times the 6. And 1 times the 6. I'm going to start right here. 4,000 times 6. Basic fact is 4 times 6. That's 24. And those 3 zeros. Then 5 times 6, that's 30, and those 2 zeros. Then 90 times 6, that's 9 times 6, 54, and that 0. And 1 times 6, the basic fact of 6. I'm going to go to the side of my paper again. I'm going to line them all up. Here they are. And I'm going to add them. And if you want to add 2 at a time, that's totally fine as well. 0 plus 0 plus 0, and 6 equals 6. 0, 0, and 4 is 4. 0, 0, and 5 is 5. 4 and 3 is 7. 2 plus nothing, 2. So we get our final answer of 27,546. And that's how you use the distributive property. Bye.